What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making a guitar neck support for under $3. What I have in front of me right now is a piece of 4-inch Schedule 40 PVC coupler. You get it at Home Depot or Lowe's for $2.51. Over here we got some foam sheet in the craft section at Walmart for 33 cents. And what I'm going to do is take a heat gun or a benzomatic torch and heat this up until it gets soft. Then I'm going to take a beer mug and I'm going to push in on the center of it to get the concave radius that I'm looking for. After that, I'm going to use some hot glue, or I'm going to use some two-way scotch tape that I got, and we're going to cut this here and apply it to the radius here so it protects the neck. And then we're going to wrap half of it with this foam sheet so it doesn't slip when you're working on the guitar. Okay, I wanted to show exactly what I did here before I did the foam. I don't know if the camera is going to pick this up, but I actually deburred the edges on both sides here, and then I took a rasp, a fine rasp, and I just filed all of this in the radius so it's smooth, flat. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but I also, it kind of roughed it up, but I did want to show that before I put the foam on it. And now it's nice and straight and round. Alright, so here we go. We got the foam on it. I hot glued it. Also put the rest of the foam around it so it don't slip on the carpet, flooring, whatever you're gonna work on your guitar with. Take a look at what the guitar looks like on it next. So there you go, guitar's on it. No slippage or anything. Move it up and down the neck, position it any way you like. Work with other guitars too. And that's going to wrap this video up.